Which animal can swing from tree to tree? Monkey. Which one is a fruit that grows on trees and is yellow? Lemon. Which vehicle runs on tracks? Train. Which one has 5 points? Star. Which animal can live in water and has gills? Fish. Which food is cold, sweet, and comes in a cone? Ice cream. Which one shows the sun hiding behind clouds? Sun behind clouds. Which animal has a long neck? Giraffe. Which one is used to fly in the sky? Airplane. Which shape looks like a ball? Circle. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep. Which one is eaten on birthdays? Cake. Which one is a panda? Panda. Which fruit is red and round? Apple. Which one is used to play football? Football. Which one is a carrot? Carrot. Which one has 4 wheels? Car. Which one gives light during the day? Sun. Which one is a cat? Cat. Which one falls when it rains? Rain. Which fruit is called the king of fruits? Mango. Which one is used for writing? Pencil. Which one is green in color? Green apple. Which one is a dog? Dog. Which one is a tiger? Tiger. Which fruit is green outside and red inside? Watermelon. Which one is a fish? Fish. Which one do we wear on our feet? Shoes. Which one shines at night? Moon. Which one has many colors? Rainbow. Which one is grapes? Grapes. Which one is square in shape? Square. Which animal gives us milk? Cow. Which one do we wear on our eyes? Glasses. Which fruit is yellow? Banana. Which one is a star? Star. Which one is a dog? Dog. Which fruit is red? Apple. Which one can fly? Bird. Which shape is round? Ball. Which is the sun? Sun. Which one is a car? Car. Which one is green? Green apple. Which animal says meow? Cat. Which is a banana? Banana. Which one do we wear on the head? Hat. Which is a lion? Lion. Which is a star?